Vanshika, and if you're new to this channel, then do subscribe down below because this is going to be a super exciting series. Guess where I am? I am in Kasol after almost 8 months. I am traveling. It's like a dream, and I have come for a 7-day long vacation. So I would be traveling to Kasol, then Manikaran, then Manali, and I will be showing you guys all around. So stay tuned for that. And last night we started a journey at 11 p.m. from Gurgaon via Chandigarh, and we reached here around 12. So the reason why we got so late for Kasol was the way from Mandi to Buntar was super bad. The roads were like puri tooty हुई, and there is a tunnel construction going there, and I would not suggest anyone to come because it was such a hectic journey. And then in Manikaran, like near Manikaran, there was a road constructing again, and it was like a hustle. So I will put down some of the footages from last night. I did not vlog too much, but I had bits and pieces here and there, and I will show you guys. You are going where? You know where are we going? Yeah. Kasol, we found this very cute river view hotel, and it's look at the race, so good, and it's super good. It is a family suite and the stay is also very comfortable. I'll show you guys around, and also we will be putting here for 3 days, and after that, oh, the view is incredible from my balcony. So this is how the view looks. So guys, this is what the balcony view looks like in Kasol. It's super affordable. We got this room for 3,000 rupees per night with a double bed, which is super good. And there is the restaurant where you can order anything and everything from, you know, any cuisine. How the room looks, we have just booked a river view, you know, double decker kind of a room. It has 2 double bed and a full mirror. Sorry, I look really exhausted because of the whole journey. This is the bed 1, and then we have another full bed. Jenny.
Hello.
Hello.
Jenny went to jump on
And then we have a cupboard here. The room looks really nice and cozy. Big bathroom this side, and the best part is the balcony. It is a huge balcony as it is a double room, and this balcony has river view in front of us, and this restaurant is also attached to this hotel, and we just had lunch over here. It was really good and the view is super amazing. I'll show you guys around. And this is another one, same hotel, but this is like a double room for people who are like couples, or you know, 2 or 3 people who are coming in a group. But this one is basically for families, so we have taken this one. And there are some places to sit and eat. This is the restaurant, and this is like a lounge area, and our car is parked there. We are just, you know, getting all our luggage back in the room, and then I'll show you guys. We have some sitting area here, and that's it. So guys, this is the view from my hotel, and I absolutely love how, you know, this is the Parvati Valley river, and it's, you know, super rapid, and you can hear the voice of the water, you know, so far also, and it was coming in my room as well. I love the view. So we will be chilling out there for some time around next day. So you can chill out here or here. There is a very good restaurant here, and you can also set up the date, you know, if you plan a date or something like that for evening. It's great. And there is a way down which goes till there. It's kind of a viewpoint where you can get pictures, click and upload. I absolutely love this. It's 8 p.m. in the night right now. We just woke up. We slept for almost 2 to 3 hours. It was such a great time, and now we are here in the Kasol market to shop for something, and we are getting some fried momos packed from this shop. And there are a lot of German bakeries here that have some amazing bakery products, so do check that out. We tried out a apple pie in day, and it tasted so nice, though I don't like, you know, too much sweet things, but it was okayish, and you can try a lot of products from here. So we'll just grab some snacks, and then we'll go back to hotel and chill by riverside, because we just saw that there were so many people who were, you know, having dinner and chilling and vibing. So that is the plan for today. It was a very exhausting day altogether, so we don't want to do a lot of things. From tomorrow onwards, I'll show you what else we did the whole day. Good morning guys, it's day 2 and I woke up really early. It's 7 in the morning, and I have come down to the viewpoint which I showed you in like previous clip. This is a viewpoint here, and we are shooting a yoga video in the morning, and look at the view. It's so great, and the water is so like, it's very chill, and water is also making so much sound in the morning. I am really loving it, and it feels so fresh, you know, coming up to so long to mountains. And also my skin feels super fresh. I don't know why, it feels super fresh this morning. And also there is a little bit of sunlight above the mountains like there, but the sun has not come up fully. So this is how the river looks, and you can also take this resort like the hotel, and it's available on booking.com as well. So I will just give you a quick tour where we are shooting and what is the view. I am here to help my brother shoot some yoga videos and he's doing in such a great view. I'm helping him out. Let me show you guys how we set up for a video, you know, how we shoot a video. And it's pretty difficult to find that perfect spot, that perfect angle where you can, you know, keep all the equipments properly and also everything is visible good. And this is how it looks. So I am currently shooting him and he is doing yoga there. So guys, do follow his account. He teaches yoga step by step and he's pretty good at it. And also he makes lifestyle videos like day to day stuff to make easy and gives basic tips on doing household work. So do check that out, and this is how the setup looks like. The Kapamania is ready, and this is the view I'm taking my breakfast with. The breakfast is also here. We have ordered some coffee, chai. Jenny, what will you drink? Jenny, what will you drink? Huh? Ow! So we are all packed and we are in car. Vyane and Jenny and me are twinning today. Jenny, baby. Hello. She's a sanitizer freak. So we are going to Manikaran first and then Barseni, and we'll have the lunch midway. It's 10:30 a.m. right now, and yes, we are going. We have reached Manikaran and this is the entrance. This is the bridge for the entrance of the Gurdwara, as well as there is a Hindu mandir here as well. As you can see, the view is same. This is Parvati Valley only, and then you have this. And these are the Om mantras from the Himalayas. This is for good luck. And you will see this every single time you visit Himachal or Uttarakhand. This is like the prayer that monks do. And basically in McLeodgan series as showed, there are too many. But here is less. This is the Manikaran market behind me. It has a lot of hippie items and there are small stores everywhere. And it's really good if you want to buy, and also the products are really cheap. You can find a lot of harems and, you know, hippie clothing here, and I'll just show you. after exploring Manikaran, we went towards Tosh. In between, there is a Pulga Kalga village, which are really small and the roads are very narrow. It is almost 18 to 20 kilometers from Manikaran, and you can take your XUVs or tempo travelers. The road is pretty much it, but right now it was broken because of the dam construction. Otherwise, it's pretty good, and the views were so amazing. It had little waterfalls and everything. So you can go towards Pulga, and then you can also trek towards Khir Ganga from there. Dam. This is the dam behind me, and it is still in construction. It will take almost 2 to 3 years to construct. As you can see, this river has less of water as compared to the down one. So this will get filled up, and then this dam will start working. Over there is Khir Ganga trek. You have to start from the dam, and it takes almost 14 kilometers to trek. And the tourism is now open in Himachal Pradesh, so there are so many tourists already who are doing the trek. And behind, like in front of me, that side is the Tosh town, which I have already been like 3-4 times. It's super pretty, and these are little villages over here like this and that. So guys, after coming back from Barsani, that is the Pulga Dam, we are now back at Kasol market, and it was such a tiring day today. We just had a lunch in the Evergreen Cafe. I'll put some of the videos from there. The food was amazing, and if you're coming to Kasol, then do try out Evergreen Cafe, Little Italy, German bakery for sure. I have something right here and I'll show you guys. And the third cafe is the Moonshine Cafe. These three are the top recommendations from my side. It's super amazing food, and also the one that I showed you in the previous video with the Riverview is the Riverview restaurant. You can go to the Riverview hotel and then you can go there. So if you take a room there, then only you can chill at that restaurant. But otherwise, I would suggest that do go to Evergreen and Little Italy. It's super amazing, and the food is also very delicious. You can find a lot of cuisines like Italian and Thai also is there, and you can also find some amazing bakery products at German bakery. So this one is the cheesecake, and this one is the Nutella croissant. I really like this one more than this because this is too sweet for me and creamy, but this one is really great. So if you're coming to Kasol, then do go to German bakery and try these out. Jenny is watching her bebe. Jenny bebe. Jenny is busy watching her rhymes, and Shiva is sleeping at the back. We three are in the car right now waiting for my brother to arrive. Till then, now just the plan is very simple. We just had a evening lunch time, and now we'll go to hotel, take some rest because it was such a hectic day. We will be taking rest for 2-3 hours at least. Right now it's 5:50 as you can see, and I have walked a lot today. I've already completed my goal step, and now we'll take dinner at the hotel, and that's pretty much it. Tomorrow I am going to Manali, and I will show you along. Pretty excited to be in Manali because it's my favorite destination in Himachal, and we'll be leaving after 11 a.m. tomorrow. Kasol was just this much, and we don't want to spend more because if you come with friends, you can obviously spend more time here. But as I am here with my family, this was it. And thank you for watching. So thank you for watching vlog 1 from the Kasol and Manali series. This was it, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also please hit the bell icon so that you get notified for the next vlog. And I will see you guys until next time.